Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. I just got a letter from Rustnox. Thank you. Thank you, Rustnox. I will be proud to display your stickers on my channel. The letter, right, says, "Hi Wayne, it is with great pleasure that I send you these stickers. I hope they arrived in good condition. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or just to say hello. Wish you all the best. M. Van Hobe." And his address, Rustnox, greetings from Belgium, and his first name. There are two ways I could pronounce this name. Michael, like in Row Your Boat Ashore, or Michelle, like the Beatles song. Michelle, my belle. I better stop right there or I'll get a copyright strike from Paul McCartney. Anyway, you see, there we go, up on my board between Everett and Craig, Rustnox. Yeah, and I get out the eye candy box. I put the extra back in the envelope with the letter, and it goes in here with the other little extra stickers and a letter for people who send them. Thank you again, Rustnox. Wow, 2.5 minutes. How does he manage to fill in all that time with nothing to say? I've been cleaning up in the computer room and reorganizing, and I mean, it gets to the point where you say, well, I might as well stop, or I'll have to reorganize the whole thing. Well, I'll take a break for a week or so. The stress of dragging all this stuff out to the garbage can. Oh, I don't need this no more. Right? Anyway, there's Poppy in the computer room for the 3rd of March in the year of perfect vision.